What's up, guys? I'm Alex Lickletter. I'm a Formula Drift Prospect driver. I'm making this video today to show you some of NST's newest products. So let me show you what I have here. Alright, so this is NonStopTuning's newest wheel. This is the Alcantara, or some of you might call it the Suede. It is a 350mm deep dish wheel, and it works with all the common hubs out there, all the 6-bolt pattern hubs. This here is the new style quick release. This is what we're going to be trying out today. You can see here that it uses this dual bar style. It comes in a lot of different color variations. I also have another one here. This is what it would look like when you get it in the box. I've already unwrapped it out of the bubble tape for you though. But here's a Neo Chrome version too. I'm really excited about that one as well. I'll be putting that on another car here. But let me show you how you can install this all together and put it in your car. The first thing you want to do is you want to take your quick release apart, and you want to make sure that the rounded edge is up and the flat is down. So now that we know the orientation of it, this will be the top, and I want to make sure I line that up at the top of the steering wheel. Now, all of NonStopTuning's products come with all of the necessary hardware you need to install all of your steering wheels to your hubs and to your quick releases, and then all your quick releases to your hubs. Great. Now that this has been installed, we know the correct orientation is up. We can go ahead and disassemble this and go and put this onto the hub of the car. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and mount the steering wheel to the hub, but I want to tell you just real quick, on the back side of this are 4 Allens. NST always makes sure that they're tight, but it's always a good idea to make sure they're tight before you go and install it in the car. We'll go ahead and take our piece here. Okay, Alright. I appreciate you guys taking a look, watching me install this. I hope you see how easy it is. And if you wanted to go get your own steering wheel and hub kit with the quick release, jump on NonStopTuning.com. Enter code ALEX86 to get the best discount you can. Until next time, guys, thank you so much.